Hi, welcome back. If you are feeling slow, stuck, or like you are not cut off for programming, this is for you. Learning slowly is still learning. Learning slowly doesn't mean you are not smart, it means you are processing deeply. Real understanding takes time, and that is okay. So, consistency beats speed. You don't need to code 8 hours a day, just 30 focused minutes daily, and that will take you further than you think. Small steps every day. So, stop comparing and start practicing. Everyone has a different pace. Don't measure your journey against someone else's highlight reel. Your path is yours alone. And of course, Googling is not cheating. Even professional developers Google things, and that is every day. Struggling doesn't mean you are bad, it means you are learning. And don't forget to celebrate tiny wins. Did your code compile? Did you fix one bug? That is progress. Celebrate every step. You are getting better. So, you are not behind, you are just starting. So, programming is hard for everyone, but if you keep showing up, even slowly, you will get there. And one day you will look back and be proud that you didn't give up.